How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to install some jacking pucks, or jacking pads, however you want to call them. I call them jacking pucks, on a C5 Corvette. These ones I got are by, I don't know if that's pronounced Dewhel. Forgive me if I'm butchering the name of it, but you can get these in several varieties, and I chose the hardware mount based ones. You can get them where they just have the little backing piece that comes up. You just slide it on, turn it, and then once you're done with it, you just take it off, put it back in storage or something like that. And then they have the plastic ones that have the little snap on them, and you just pop them up in, and if you need to get them out, you'll use like a little screwdriver or a pry bar and try and pop them back out. But like I said, those ones are plastic. I haven't had good experience with them, though others may differ. These ones are aluminum. You can get them in several colors. I chose the silver. They come in this. You can get them in black, red, blue. I mean, God knows what colors. I don't even know what all combinations they have. But let's start off by seeing if we can show you exactly where these are at. So one should be right back in here somewhere, and then the other one in the front should be like right here. We'll get down here if I can get the flashlight or something to work, and maybe see if I could show you exactly where these locations are. Actually, I was off a little bit, so I don't know how well my camera will pick that up. You can see we got the one right here for the rear, and that'll just go up in. We'll put the piece up in with the bolt, then we'll turn it, and then we'll tighten it down, and it will be permanently installed. And then for the front, it should be right here. Let's see here if we can get a view of it. Oh boy. Yeah, this camera is not very friendly for this kind of stuff. Yep, right there it is. So if you can see that, here's the front one. Same process, and they're in the same location on the, on the driver's side. Now sometimes with these, this little section here might get pushed up a little bit. If that's the case, I lost myself. If that's the case, you might have to like stick a little bitty mini pry bar or something up in there and try and pull it back down a little bit. But all right, so these are Allen/Hex that it comes with. This should be, from looking at it, it should be 4mm. So that's what I grabbed out. Let's test fit it here real quick, and we'll know for sure. All right, yep, 4mm. All right, so let me trial install one to make sure I do it right, and then I'll do another one to show you how it's done. But we'll be back here in just a minute. All right, I'm going to show you how to throw one of these little guys here together real quick. So as you can see here, this here would be the bottom. So to set up against in the car, kind of like that. And what we want to do is take our two little Allen screws or little mini bolts here, just feed them through like that, and we'll get our little, right there, a little bracket piece, get it put on here. Would want to go complicated for me on this one. All right, so there we go. That's one started. That one started. Now what you want to do is, depending on yours and how much room, you'll want to feed it probably before you put it up under there and start tightening it. Get it to where the bolt comes flush right up out of this side. I might actually have to use this here because it's catching just a little bit. This side's being stubborn. There we go. And this side's turning like butter. Alright, so once you get it kind of like that, now I'll be ready to install it. But one thing, you're going to want some medium strength thread locker at least. This is going underneath the car. It's a permanent mount. You don't want it vibrating off, so make sure you put some drops here on this, and hopefully I can get the camera low enough that when we go to install this, that we'll actually be able to see. Just trench that shit. It's going underneath the car. I don't plan on taking it off, so we'll put that on. Grab our little 4mm Allen and head up underneath up over here. Let's see, like I said, hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. Alright, now where is this one at? It is right there. Alright, I need the flashlight. Let's see. I don't know if this camera is picking any of this up at all. It doesn't look like it there. Let's see. God, this thing sucks. Right there we go. Yeah, I need something to set underneath it. Let's see. But the essential idea is, because I don't have anything to get the camera down this low, so what you'll do is, we have the thread locker on there, right? You'll put your fingers kind of up under there like that, sort of keep it pried up. We'll go up in, where is it at? Right there. Let's see. It's hard to do this with one hand, not being able to see. You just sort of get it up in there like that. Then you'll turn it. Now see, it's up in there. And then you'll tighten in it. Now remember, this will give a little extra thickness or downside to the bottom. Not much for anyone who may be concerned about scraping or anything. But once you do that, you have it up in there. You'll just use your Allen and tighten this up real good. Get it to where it's lightly tightened, then start doing one side at a time till you get it good and tight. We got the thread locker on there to stop hopefully vibrating out down the road. But let me get this one installed, and then I'll kind of show you how it looks like. Alrighty, got the passenger side installed on both sides, so I will show you that. I don't know how well it shows up there. Let's get that flashlight there a little bit, maybe. Alright, let's see here. Focus, there we go. This is the rear, and as you can see right up here, we got the one in the front. Fairly simple. I mean, you could do all four sides in 5 minutes or less. So if you have any questions or anything, just leave a comment. But and if we try and get level with the car here, if you can see, they don't poke down all that much. Like I said, they would add, adjust the clearance. Scrape distance just a little bit, but I mean, it's negligible. So again, thank you for watching. Till next time, take it easy.